I'm back for episode 2 of our drawing adventure. You see, I had to go do a terrible thing and eat lunch. I'm gonna try to leave off where we were, but I'm not gonna be perfect. Now, you see, what I'm doing here is I'm drawing the eyes like I did before, and basically just copying what I did. Of course, again, I'm not going to be perfect, so it is going to be a little different. But those look relatively similar. Now that we have those, we're going to need to draw the pupils. And by the way, definitely go follow me. Or, no, don't follow me. Definitely subscribe. And also, if you can, or if you want to, you can check out all my other drawings on DeviantArt. It's high 6, 7 something. So, I'll probably leave a link somewhere. But for now, yeah. Let's get back to it. Alright, now that we have the pupils drawn, like so. Now, it all depends if you want eyebrows or not. Now, I like a good eyebrow. But you don't have to. So I'm just going to draw one just because I want to. And if you want to use it, that is totally up to you. Now this is kind of an angry face. I have no idea why I wanted it. Oops. That looks like shit. Oh, sorry. I meant, that looks like not great. Please don't censor me, YouTube. It was only once. I don't mean for me to say bad words. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Anyway. So we got some nice little eyebrows right there. Now you might be saying, well, yeah, sure, it has the eyebrows, it has the eyes, it has the ears, but what about the muzzle? Or as some dumb people like to call it, the nose. And let me tell you, I was about to get to that. Because we're going to want to draw this little line. Basically, it's just above the line that we made before for the fourth line, or whatever I called it in the last episode. But then we're going to make it to, about like right there. And if you've ever searched up a picture of a wolf, you'll know that their noses don't go like in a triangle shape or rounded out triangle or whatever. They actually go in a circle. Now what you want to do next is do a little something like this. Then draw the chin. And draw the little ruffles of skin. And then, for the most part, there's your base shape here. I don't know what you guys see, but I'm guessing you could probably see it. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to bring it a little bit closer just so you guys know what I'm talking about here. I don't know if you can see it better. Yeah, there we go. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is what you want to draw. So draw that. if you're not drawing it, well then why are you watching this video? For art pointers? What? What are you doing? Joking. You can watch these videos for art pointers there. I've always watched a couple art pointer videos once in a while. Now, I'm not going to be working a lot on furries because I know that people are going to hate like there's no tomorrow. So, this is probably a one-time thing, but, you know, if I have any future alterations of my artwork, I will definitely show you guys. And if you want to see more, definitely tell me, because it is always helpful to hear you guys' comments, except for the hate. Although I haven't really got any hate comments yet. Anyway, you might be saying, well, why did you just draw all those weird lines? Now you see, I drew all those ridges because those are my hairlines, not the lines of hair that you have on your head, but they're lines that make it look like this guy has hair, which is what we want, since he is a wolf. Now you see, wolves are very hairy. And what you want to do next to make sure that everybody knows what this is try to draw some lines right around here-ish. Basically, that's what I'm going for. I know it looks dumb right now, but this is a simple little thing, and people will be all like, if you're in second grade doing this, that's pretty amazing. I bet people are going to be like, wow, that's cool. Or people are going to be all like, wow, you're a furry. Go die. But anyway, let's get on with the ears. Now you might be saying, what? I've seen all these pictures with ears having fur in them. Like, how do you do that? That's pretty easy. All I just need to do is lower your ears down a little bit, like this. And then give them a little bit of a three-dimensional look to them. And then go ahead and just do this. There we go. There you go. Now you have hair in the ears. Pretty simple, ain't it? And now you have a pretty good looking character. Like, it's not perfect, of course, but pretty good looking character that you can go on, like, your newly found art program and go ahead and just make that stuff. I can't say other words because I don't want to get banned. So, anyway, I really hope this helped you guys. But for the most part, sorry, I'm trying to make this anticlimactic. I'm trying to make this climactic. But Anyway, see you guys later, and you guys all know the word here. You know what it's coming to. So why don't we all just shout